I am extremely grateful and thankful to Sir for congratulating me and felicitating me. And I'm extremely happy for I have been able to secure the rank in Indian Forest Service as well as Civil Services examination. The message to the people of Goa especially would be to work hard, especially the students. I would want them to work hard and be dedicated towards their goal. And for me also, I have prepared both the examinations and have been fortunate to clear the exam. So I would request every student to be dedicated towards their goal and work hard.
Today we have Ms. Somaya Kumari from Goa who had cleared the Indian Forest Service examination. So she has also cleared the Civil Service examination. So it's a matter of great pride that a resident of South Goa had cleared it. And so to honor her achievement, I think we have invited her for a small congratulatory gesture. So I wish her all the best for her future, and I hope to see her in civil service positions in the near future.